Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esme for those who don't know me, but my friends can call me Lalis. So you guys are very welcome to call me Lalis for sure. For today, I'm not gonna be doing a tutorial, a DIY, or a blog. I'm basically gonna talk to you about some important news I have. This is a decision that I'm taking now that I don't have that many followers. Hopefully you guys could keep supporting me and sharing my videos, but I think it's better to do it now or never, because I know that eventually if I keep working on it and it happens that I grow in my page, I just don't want to have trouble with the name that I chose. I opened this account with this name a long time ago before I decided to do videos, so I kind of want to change it now. I was using Lalis, which is my nickname, and Rodriguez, which is my father's last name, but since I got married a long time ago, I never got to change that name on my social media. So I think as of now it's better just to change it, not necessarily adding my last name, but just the name of my page. So before you would see something like this, which was the Lalis Rodriguez. But now for my new intro, now it's gonna be it's gonna be something more like this. So yeah, as you've seen, I'm planning to change my name to Glam by Lalis. So it's gonna be on my YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, which is gonna be Glam by Lalis. Honestly, picking a name was really hard because there's so many pages with that name, like with my name, what my actual name, which is Esme, and Lalis is actually a pretty common name as well. So I was like, man, what can I pick that it's unique and kind of like goes with what I do? So I was talking to my sister, which she's been a really good support to me by checking my videos to see if they look decent for me to post, if I should add anything, if I should delete anything. She's been helping me a lot. So sister, if you're looking at this video, I know you will. I just want to thank her so much for helping me choose this name. And yeah, I just wanted to coming here and let you guys know. I also have another video coming up because last week I didn't post anything because I was working on this name and this intro. I know it's not much, or it's not like very sophisticated. I just did this on my own. I didn't pay for anyone to do my intro or my outro. As of now, I cannot spend a fortune paying someone to do all this videos for me or things so that I could like stand out. At the moment I can't, but I mean, for now I'm really proud with what I came up with. So I hope you guys like it. I really appreciate each of you, even if it was only one person. Like, thank you, because I am really motivated to keep on doing this, even though it's really hard because of job, because I'm a mom, because I'm a wife, because all of that of life, you know. It's really hard. Like, you never think how much it goes behind the scenes, where, you know, you have to set up, where you have to like wait until it's quiet so that you can record a video, wait until you have good lighting, wait until you have, I mean, my respects for all those who have accomplished so much and that are in a good position right now. They have my respects because they went through a lot before they could be there. So if one day I am in those shoes, which I hope, you know, we throw it out in space and hopefully that happens. But if not, like, I'm having fun. It's really a process, but it's really exciting when you're gonna put that public button and yeah, just share it with you guys. I really appreciate if you guys keep sending me comments on YouTube on DMs on Instagram. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and also turn on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. So for that, cheers and welcome to Glam by Lalis.